Yeah. Do you even see me? Do you even know what's up? I'm the J, but you don't even know I'm cutting up. I'm cutting up and want to see the shine from the rhyme. Some people's over here, I got that rhymer in my time. Oh yes, I'm getting up, but still I say I'm getting better. Some people talking about, oh yes, I want that good cheddar. I don't want to nothing but that good to green dough. Still I'm over here, the son of people in my window. Hey, so what you want to see about that? Some people telling me that saying you know about that, but still you don't even see, but still I want to say. People telling me to what you really want to say. I want to say what's on my mind, yes it's on my mind, but still I'm over here to say I want to drop some rhyme. Some rhyme is over here, but I say I feeling fine. I feeling so fine, saying that yes it is my time, saying hey, yes I'm talking about I got that time. Still I'm over here, they saying that yes I love my time. Everybody's over there, they saying they dropping lines. Lines are over there, so you now you feeling fine, saying hey, talking about that saying I got that time. People's over there, they saying that yes I got my line. Other people talking about oh yes they feeling fine, but still I'm over here to when I say I drop my line, saying hey. So now that when I got that time, the time is over here to say yes I'm on that time. The time is over here to when I'm doing it up, but last to bring that beat up and last to cut it up, call me J. So when I'm doing what I do, some people telling me the older, yes I keep it true. I want to keep it true, I keep it true to my vein. My vein is over here, but they say I'm insane. But still I got the time, with the time when I rhyme it. The people's over here that say dang, I would time it. I time it over here then with some different colors. The people talking about that like I love my brothers. I also love my sister and I love everyone. But sometimes I gotta give a distance on some. I want to keep my peace and the peace up in the street. Some people telling me to send it, yes, so what you see. Hey, I'm rocking up it and I'm rocking my bro. Because I got the time, so I drop an A show. A show that's over here, that some of people want more. But still I'm over here to hear it knock up on my door. I'm rocking in the red, but I still love green. People's over here that say, you know what I mean, because I got that time today when I wanna say. So everybody likes to get this thing today. Oh yes, I got time. I got time. Yes, I got time. I got time. Yes, I got time. I got time. Everybody said, I got time.